Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Twitter Spaces is an excellent tool for live audio conversations. But if you are new to the platform, activating it might seem a bit confusing. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of activating Spaces on X, formerly Twitter, so you can start hosting or joining live discussions right away. First, make sure your Twitter application is up to date. Go to the application store or Google Play and check for any available updates. Next, open the Twitter application or X and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. You should see an option for spaces in the menu. If not, you may need to enable it in your settings. Create a space, tap on the spaces icon and select start a new space. You can also browse and join other spaces that are live. And that is how you activate spaces on X or formerly Twitter. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.